Sometimes you want to draw something, but aren't sure at all what to do. Or maybe you have an idea, but are having trouble visualizing it. For both situations, finding references to use will help you get ideas and a direction for your art. I wouldn't start an illustration without at least one reference. And I have some suggestions and tips that will help you find what you're looking for, and didn't know you were looking for, quickly and easily. To start, one of my favorite places for photo reference is photography sites like Pexels.com. This place is filled with non-copyright images, and you can easily search for the subject you have in mind. This is much better than Googling for images, because professional photography has good composition, lighting, colors, and just about everything you might want to apply to your art. And since these are copyright-free, you're welcome to use them however you like. Getty Images, on the other hand, probably has a much vaster collection, although the pictures you find there probably won't be free to use. But if you're just in need of loose reference and inspiration, this would also be a great place to look. Next up is Instagram, which may be my new favorite in terms of finding inspiration from other artists. You can browse hashtags based on what you're interested in, save posts you want to revisit later, and organize them into collections. For example, you can make a character design collection and save related artwork you find there. If you hold the save button, you can save a post directly to one of your collections, or just tap it if you don't have a specific collection for it. This is also an amazing place to keep tabs on your favorite artists by following them. Here's a few I recommend. And overall, I just find navigating Instagram on both browser and mobile to be really easy. I've never tried saving and organizing posts on Instagram before, and now I'm not really sure why I haven't before. Of course, we have to talk about Pinterest as well. I'm new to Pinterest, and so first I tried the browser version, searched a few topics, and it quickly figured out what I was interested in and gave me more similar suggestions. This is something I feel like Instagram doesn't do quite as well. There's a lot of both inspiring art and good photo reference to look through. However, I did have a lot more difficulty navigating Pinterest and organizing my favorite images. That's what Pinterest is known for, but I found it confusing. So I tried the mobile app version, and it was a bit easier, although still not as easy as Instagram. I'm sure this is no trouble for people who have used it a lot though, and it may be worth figuring out and getting used to for all the cool stuff on there. You also might like to try screenshotting your favorite images instead, and organizing them into folders on your computer. This is handy for when you want all of your reference and inspiration images from different sites in the same place. And as great and vast as the internet is, it's a good idea to go outside and find inspiration and ideas that way too. Go look at some trees or something, and take some of your own reference pictures. If you'd like to learn how to use textures and details from your reference photos in your art, check out this video, and let me know in the comments what your favorite place to get ideas for your art is. Thanks for watching!